How to lock and hide WhatsApp chats. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, we're showing you how to lock and hide individual chat in WhatsApp. Sometimes we just want to keep things extra hidden. WhatsApp came through with a fantastic feature called Chat Lock. So to lock and hide WhatsApp chats, first open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Find the chat you want to lock. Tap on the name of the contact at the top of the chat window. Now, scroll down a bit in the settings menu until you see Chat Lock. Tap the toggle switch next to Chat Lock. A pop-up will appear, reminding you that locked chats require Face ID or fingerprint verification to access messages and notifications. It also mentions that locked chats are hidden from your main chat list for extra privacy. Tap Continue. Now confirm your identity using Face ID or fingerprint. Once confirmed, you will see that Chat Lock is enabled. Now to finding your locked chats, go back to your Chats section. You'll notice a new section at the top called Locked Chats. Tap on Locked Chats, and you'll be prompted to verify your identity again with Face ID or fingerprint. Once verified, you'll see all your locked chats tucked away securely for your eyes only. That's it. With these steps, you've successfully locked and hidden your important WhatsApp chats, adding an extra layer of privacy to your conversations. And this is how to lock and hide WhatsApp chats. If you have any questions about locking and hiding WhatsApp chats, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.